I got my swag on full tilt right now. So, okay. This right here is something new. Something you ain't never heard before. Something you'll never hear again from anybody else. I'm the only one that can do this shit. So in case you're trying to guess at what I'm talking about, let me introduce myself. I'm Chris Eckers.
I come through trap hits, hard as a motherfucker. They wanna be my fan, we hard as a motherfucker. This track that I'm singing on is hard as a motherfucker. And if you don't feel me, then you figure as a motherfucker. I lay down for my niggas and put on for my foes. It's a recession, thank you Jesus for giving hope. Hood on my back, so I'm walking in, I'm gonna toe. I'm big in the ass, so just call me the hood pope. Cause I gotta do it by any means necessary. And I gotta do it, the thought of felon is very scary. Sometimes it get cold like it's the middle of February, but I keep on pushing because my people I gotta care. At the same time, haters trying to put me down. I love the way they motivate, so I keep them around. But real niggas love me cause they never heard us out. And them niggas bitches love me cause they know I put it down. And they never seen us swag so damn terrific. I'm standing on the world, so I'm on top of my shit. And I will never stop cause my soul will never quit. And I'm allergic to the fake, so only speak if you legit. You ain't never seen a nigga with a swag so tough. You ain't never super clean, so you got me fucked up. You ain't never know my shit, you ain't never know my body. You ain't never, and everybody, you ain't never know the mind. You ain't never seen a nigga with a swag so tough. You ain't never super clean, so you got me fucked up. You ain't never know my shit, you ain't never know my body. You ain't never, and everybody, you ain't never know the mind.
I do this shit, my nigga, like on some real shit. I do
Then
this.
I come back harder than hard as I ever did. Had big dreams ever since I was a little